bypass zone. Step 1, press and hold button 9 to enter bypass mode. Step 2, press 1, 2, and hash to bypass zone 1 and 2. In this case, let's say you want to bypass zone 1 and 2. Zone blinking means zone has been in bypass mode. Cancel bypass zone. Step 3, press and hold button 9 to enter bypass mode. Step 4, press 1, 2, and hash to cancel bypass zone 1 and 2. Check trouble. Step 1, press and hold button 8 to enter service mode. In this case, zone 4 LED always on means back battery not connected or faulty. Check battery condition or contact your nearest AX1 security dealer. Then, step 2, press hash to exit. All done, thank you.